Good day, mates. Today, I'm here to chat about herbal plants and their incredible uses. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the mighty aloe vera. This spiky succulent isn't just a pretty plant, it's a powerhouse of benefits. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, making it a go-to for treating sunburns and skin irritations. Plus, it's great for boosting hydration and promoting healthy skin. Next on the list is the versatile lavender. Not only does lavender smell divine, but it also has a range of uses. From calming anxiety and promoting relaxation to aiding in sleep, lavender is a must-have in any herbal arsenal. You can even use it in cooking to add a floral touch to your dishes. Now, let's talk about peppermint. This refreshing herb is not just for freshening your breath, it's a natural remedy for digestive issues like bloating and indigestion. Peppermint tea is a popular choice for soothing an upset stomach and promoting digestion after a meal. Moving on to the humble chamomile. This gentle herb is well known for its calming effects, making it a popular choice for bedtime teas to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Chamomile is also great for soothing skin irritations and reducing inflammation. Lastly, we have the powerful turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties, and it's gaining popularity in modern wellness practices for its numerous health benefits. So there you have it, folks. Herbal plants are not just pretty additions to your garden, they are nature's gift to us with a plethora of uses and benefits. Whether you're looking to soothe your skin, calm your mind, or boost your health, there's an herbal plant out there for you. Cheers to the wonders of nature.